Kani kadai kedua dashan Meghalaya bari pediang snobhai pi baro syagatuk kubor mata kejan mit. Syuaban pai syaki kubor ki babniak ngini pechwa ya kimat bakongsan. Mencur kekenhuan menteri banpen skem kam ya khandai bok prangwat kinong trei ad hoc. Lapen bena ya ka khasau ni ka chocolate mazir kum ka dok kha jong gejela. Sam katanat jengok kai pertai gejala ya kishiti menjur mangtingka hapot ki skim babun ha ka empowerment program ha Orchid Lake Resort. Batli Menteri ke Sarkar Pedeng Ujyoti Aditya Sindhya lengba ka video conference ya ka New Generation Post Office ka Bashispa hanehu. Mentangin ya pai syaki kubor ki babania na gejala. Ka kenhuan ki menteri jong ka sarkar jilla kala aijing menjur halor gajing penskem kam ya khandai po prangwat kinong trei ad hoc ki bala thung kam hashwa ka lai pawei torik uno pra arhajan nyo udkhot ka kabinet uba wailat miki shila ula ong ba kani ka dei ka kenhuan ka balai ka bayo ya kum kani gajing menjur ha ka babun na kinong trei ki dei ki badon ha ka tanat ka koi ka khia ula ban rab ru ba kum kani ka sin jam kanam pen khia ha ka liang ka pisa na mar ba kinong trei ki dei ki bala trei lepa ha ki kam ki bala deb ban mang.
So that's why this time there is no in ad hoc employee. This time the numbers which came to us for the regularization is 98. There are different departments, but majorly it was from the health department. It was all other department, but majorly I think around 55 of them were from the health department. See, this is the you should understand. This is they are already working on the sanction post, so they are already drawing scale pay everything as a government employee, but it's just that the appointment was during that time was not accordingly. So that's why this time there is no financial implication. We are just regularizing them.
Ka sarkar jilla kalapen bena baya ka dok kha chocolate mazir ka bala jutip kum ka khasau annam no kum ka dok kha jong ka jilla udkhot kenhuan menteri uba wailat miki shila ula ong ba ya ka nigarai la shim khnang ban kentiu bat ban penne ya ki nigi jat dok kha ki bala tip kerteng ha gajing police science kum ki neo lisochelus hexaconolepis ula ben rab ru ba ki niki dok kha ki roi bha ha ki wa jong gajala bat kani ka senjam kan pen biang ya gajing bomdon jong gajala ya ka dok kha kabakan nam.
Commonly called. The fisheries department, there is one agenda which came because actually, as you all know, that till now we're in our state of Meghalaya, we don't have a state fish. Where if you take in other part of the country, almost 20, I think out 22 states have already declared some fish as their state fish. So we thought that we'll declare this chocolate masir, which I think in Khasi, which we commonly call is Khasa. So we declare this khasau as the state fish. So we did this as we like for conservation from the conservation point of view as well.
Katanat tourism mentaga singi kala sam ya kishiti mangpisa hapo shibun teligi scheme ha ka empowerment of tourism champions program kabala long ha Orchid Lake Resort. Umentri rangba ukonrat ke sangma ringkat umentri katanat tourism u Timothy di Shira kila IT ya kejing kershan na kebenta ki yeng basa ki tiar kitar ki kali jengok kai bat ki scholarship na kebenta ki kena u konrad ula pen bena ya ka Taj Luxury Spa Resort ha umyam bat ya katu kat ni ki project bakongsan bakentop ya ka Shillong Roadway Maukdok Skywalk Rain Museum ha Mausenram bat ki Jakasa Batamai ha Sora bat Siju Utimoti ula ong ba kani katanat kala nangkiu irat ha kabay kidon hadu khat pra lak ngot kinong wankai ha usnem arajar arposan bat palat chispa sanpo tadi ki project kidang perkhat ringkat kecing baitingka kabakrao
infrastructure, and you'll be very, very happy to know that many projects have been implemented in the tourism sector. Many of them are being implemented as we speak. And in the next 2 to 3 years, there will be a massive transformation that is going to take place in the tourism sector, where we will see large iconic projects, whether it is the Shillong ropeway, whether it is the Mokhodok, the skywalk that is coming up, whether it is the rain museum that's going to come up in Mawsynram, whether it's the museum for our living root bridges, whether it is our overall tourism center which is coming up in Sora, or in Mandalgre, or in Siju. In all of these projects, as you said, investments are being made to ensure that we're able to enhance the overall quality of experience for the tourist at large.
When we began strengthening tourism as a priority sector, our vision was simple: to ensure that tourism becomes a powerful driver of economic growth and a meaningful source of livelihood for our people. Today, that vision is clearly visible. Tourist footfall in Meghalaya has increased, with provisional data indicating around 18 lakhs visitors in 2025. Tourism is no longer just about arrivals. It has emerged as a strong pillar of the state's economy, creating opportunities across the state, across the sector. The progress is a result of focus, effort, and planning. Over the past few years, we have taken a very structured approach, focusing on infrastructure, connectivity, and investment.
Kasorkar mentagasi kalale buram ya utoris badi na kabenta gaji shlur jeng u ban pelaj im ya uwe ubri ubakanthi hanan pelok Shillong. Menteri Rangba Ukonrat ke Sangma ulapin kup buram ya usamla taibor lang pakma ha ka program kabalalong ha yam kaba itho ya gajing kloy ban ai jingarap marmar bad gajing shlur jeng u usamla taibor ulaong ba gajing arab ya kiwe kadai gajing kit khli kham tam na kabenta ki samla bat kedoru ya gajing dan kam jong gajing sedang ya ka tourist badi khnang ban pentikna ya gajing shngan jong kinong wan chungok kai Ukonrat ula ai jingaro ya gajing shlur jong u da ka ba penshai ba ka kamram ba kong santam jong ki tourist badi ban pentikna ya gajing shngan jong kinong chungok kai perthei ki ba wan Meghalaya
Kira-kira cibun ba gajing mon Meghalaya semua anda penonton ngan mau itu ba ni kun hiu semua kun hiu semua kena samlat kun kena samlat yo gelar ban entah pendiam hayo masalah yo gelar ban explore jadi talent ski bau play la aja kata ke bon nongko ma kita sibun ba gajing mon nama tak di ski hadu kita res su yo ba gajing mon kita res ki wan majgai kita tip ke jaka station ni ma dan kan hai ini turis body akan pun spot bagi kirang bagi turis kini beli lagi spangi jaka ke jadi safe ni hangno ke jaka malai nangno ban lai no kumno ban kan ni ubri dak ai ban bam kata na dong sidong ng busi ubri turis body ba boleh kita ngaku ngala di pulang buat slave ma kibon ba ginawan kaya buat slave andai kibodan po Germany ru gidan po USA ru gidan Mereka ni dia pun assist je. Menekan ni, mereka dan ada problems. Ini kumbang isa mana masa tunggal mak, kumbang isa tunggal. Simple things matter for the tourist. Dan tak ada awal ni dia balong self je kima.
Kakenhun Menteri Jong Kasorkar Jilla kala menjur halor gijing penkela yaki kendon bakongsan jong ka Meghalaya building bylaws arajar akuwe ban penduna yaki jing don kam yaki jaka ki bahe na kabenta ki project ki bakerpang khnang banyarap yaki trajaka naga jilla ban yo jing mentoy na ki kam penroy ki bahe Udukhat jong kakenhun Menteri bad unong aiktien ka MDA uba wailat miki shela ula ong bakini ki kendon kila penkela bala pen kala kilong baya kejing he kacaka la penduna naka sanpo 1000 square foot shaka lai pungnyo 1000 sanspa square foot bat ya kacaka kabantay naka arpo 1000 shaka khatsan 1000 square foot kaban ajing mentoy banshna yaki project kum ki ying basa ki hospital ki mall bat ki chaka puli hakaway pat karai kaken huan menteri kalamen juru ban pen kala yaki kendon an excise and distillery da kabapen kieu ya kachana shalan kiat na barjala na kador arpusan tingka sha kador laipo tingka shilitar
square feet. In the past, with the amendment which says like this, section A2.60, special project mean those project/building which with large scale activities such as hotels, public institution, healthcare, shopping malls, multiplex, ICT, BPOs, educational institution having a minimum plot of area of 50,000 square feet and minimum single cover area of 20,000 square feet. So this will come under the special project. But with this amendment, because we have seen that many of our people here, they won't be having such big land of 50,000 square feet. So that's why with this amendment, we have reduced this area from 50,000 square feet to 37,500 square feet and a minimum single cover area of 15,000 square feet. So means like more like the people can really who have this much of land, they can build the special project where they can get more story building. The revision of the import pass fee on the import of E&E extra neutral alcohol from outside the state. So usually it was 25 rupees per bulk liter. Now we have increased it to 30 rupees per bulk liter.
Kaken huan menteri kalamanjur ya kejing pen kala ya kador jongka phase 1 na kabenta ka New Shillong water supply scheme kabalong new spa new pok lotingka kabala keu da ar spa khat new lotingka na kejing mang kabarim udukhat kaken huan menteri uba wailat miki shala ula ong ba kani kejing keu kadai na kadaw kejing pen kan ria chaka ya kadam side kiching tai na kabenta ka boarding bathamai bat kejing yo ya kachaka ya kani kadam lapen kendria khamshaneng hadian ba lamang banshna chaka penlangyut hanong hali hakawai pat karai kaken huan menteri kala ajing menjur banthiet palat chispa khat khandai akar ka chaka ha east but north Garo Hills banshna yaki land banks na kabenta kijingte hadian habini secretariat kum shibenta jong kajing ne ban penbyang ya kajing duna chaka bat ban pensuk ya kajing penyat kam
of the water supply scheme, it's the 770 crores from the 553 before. Then it has become 770. It's because of the shifting of the area for constructing of a dam, where we have to take it upstream because of the coming up of the scientific this landfill in Nonghali. And also because we have to have a dedicated electrical lines, so that also has really increased the cost. And at the same time, because we have to for the LA also for the land, because we will be needing a lot of land, so that's why it is for the land acquisition as well. The government thought that it's very important that we should have land in hand. Maybe in the coming days we need to build a hospital, we need to build a school or a university and other things. So that's why we have come up with this two proposal from two district. That is, first one is Rongal Grey, East Garo Hills district, and then the land we are acquiring here is 93.59 acres. Of land, and with the cost of 7 crores. With the North Garo Hills, the land is in Mandipathar area, and this is also direct purchase. The amount here is 3.9 crores.
Kinongyalam jongka Khasi Chaintia Deficit School Teachers Association, but ka Meghalaya College Non-Teaching Staff Employees Association, kilapen long ya kajingmi jendat na gajingalang jongka tanat puli puthi menta kasi, da kabakinno ba omsham lakan thop lang ya kinong don benta. President ka KJD-STA uba Boswell pala ula ong babun kikenhun kibakenthop ya kinong mikmat Nagaru Hills but kin non-teaching staff omsham lakhot lang kabalong kum gajing light ya gajing mut chong gajing lang ula pen paru ya gajing sngokia halor gajing batay ya ka Meghalaya Provident Fund Act khatkandai spa andre phokandai but persha igajing terwa wanra jingpen kala hapo ka scheme arajar arpun riu da ka ong ba kalong kabam yahap ka association kaladawa igajing ekren ka ba kenthop lang ka ba shai but ka bane da ka ba maham persha igajing pen kala ki bom shongnia ya ka board of trustees.
We were seeing that press release, we were happy that the deficit teachers would meet with the government. But then to our shock, we saw that half of the deficit teachers, meaning the GHDS TEA from Garo Hills and the MCN TEA, the non-teaching staff of colleges, are not invited to the meeting. And so if you have to listen to the concerns of the deficit teachers and employees, call the full group, all the deficit from the government. And then back there, they were trying to create a narrative that this act of 1969, in short, the Meghalaya Provident Fund Act of 1969, may include, that is a travesty of justice. That is so unfair when we have this act exclusively for us. We cannot accept that. The government may try to do anything, but then we will keep pleading to the government. Please see logic in what we are requesting. It is based on the notifications. It is based on what we saw happenings in the court and the different meetings that we had, the deficit teachers had with the government and so on. So just respect that. And now, again, we told them there that to come up with a scheme so different that was assured through notifications, through gazette notifications, it is totally wrong.
Kalimnong kabatamay hakikam IG Shakri chong kayeng dak kari kalasdang hasilong mentakasi hakaba lawan ra lang ya karukom kabarim bad gajok kabamenta dagajing pli ya kayeng dak kaban phaik mat khamtam na kabanta kisamla hanihu tungen yakmi ya kani ka khubor Hagajing ele ban penyeso yagi yeng dak kari kat kum gajok bamenta laple ya the new generation post office kabachispa ha North Eastern Hill University campus hasilong ya kani ke yeng dak laple da menteri kaswar ka pedeng Ujyoti Aditya Sindhya lengba ka video conference hakaba ulapan pau yagajing ya lenti chong ke yeng dak nagajing IG Shakri kat kum kirukom barim shagijing gala bat kichaka ke ban IG mentoy yagi samla Kanya the new generation post office kabalapan wandur balashna hakarukom kabapher kan penduduk no ia karukom kabajulong kabatmu ong tang banlong kajaka IG Shakri Henry banlong bu kum kajaka pedeng na kabenta ki khna buli hakaliang ka imnang sa lang bat precaution da kabapen shilur banwanra ia gajing sedang bathamal menteri ula IG mud ban penlong ki program dan haki po janmi ki ban kring ki samla ban pendut por ban pendut kam ki gajing mentoy jongka Ulapan benaru yang kecingku banshna talat sanspa atali ki new generation post office hakal leng di skol ba jongkari ki he sarkar gejala ki la ong bakani ke senjam kan penyeso igi jingkai ki barim bat ki jing angut jong kejuk bamenta kaban island iki samla ban smutu ban yetre lang bat ban yo jing mentoi na kum kini ki jakat rekam bathamai Kajing sedang ya kani ke jakat rekam hanehu kapen keladur ya gejing long jong ki office rekam ka sorkar kun ki jaka ki bapherdur ki bakan thop lang ya ke emlang sa lang bat ki jaka ki banyahap bat ka paten ka banwan
This engine post office is quite different because why this is a first project for all of India post offices like all over the country and this is the 100th engine post office launched today in Nehu and this is quite different from all other normal because why this is is like it will facilitate for the new generation, the Gen Z we call, okay, the Gen Z. So like most probably we concentrate on the new generation students who comes and interacts, and we make the atmosphere in a very like suitable for them, cozy and welcoming, so that it's not like very that type of traditional boring type of post office where it's only booking, do the transactions, you come and give parcels, you come and give letters, and that's it. This is like you come, you do what you want, your savings also, you send letters also, and you can hang out also, you read the books, and then you play music, you interact, you hang out. So it's a very welcoming atmosphere we have made for the Gen Z. That's why this is very much different from other post offices.
We are the ground level officers, so we make sure that experience of people in the post office is not hampered. तो जैसे आपने GPO का देखा होगा, अब because we had some crowd there in the GPO, often people were not able to serve. तो हम number of counters हम बढ़ा रहे हैं. उसके अलावा we have back-end operations. So back-end is very technical in nature, but we try to improve those जिसके लिए dashboard monitoring होती है. So that is a regular thing. So now you would see कि हमारे जो गांव में पोस्ट ऑफिसेज होते थे, पहले अगर ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं भी होता था तो वो गिनती कम होके कम से कम जनवरी से लेके अप्रैल से वो 400 गुना कम हुई है, जहाँ पे ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं होता है पोस्ट ऑफिसेज में. तो इट्स अ वे फॉरवर्ड, और हम आगे चढ़ते हुए उम्मीद करते हैं कि हमारी सर्विसेज बेटर होती जाएंगी, सो दैट वी कीप गेटिंग गुड फीडबैक्स एंड रिव्यूज, और एंड वी आर ऑलवेज ओपन फॉर सजेशंस. यू कैन ऑलवेज लेट अस नो एंड वील ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव व्हाटएवर बिजनेस वी डू.
Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
Mentangin ya pai shiki kubor nagathan chatay la mingi. Ha Assam Menteri Rangba Himanta Biswa Sarma nantagasi ula IT ya kashiti ino kamjong sha ulat gejela Lakshman Prasad Acharya Haraj Bhawan Guwahati. Ulat diang ya kashiti ino kam ulapen senge shipor ya ki menteri chong kaying dorbar thawan bat batha ya ka sarkar ban pentelun ya ki kam kijam hadu ban dalawan dalathau sarkar bathamai. Sarma ula pentip baya gajing penbam smai an penlong haka khatwei terik menta ubnai da kaba khmi lenti ban yashim bentalang da Narendra Modi ula benrap ba ke BJP kabadon ya ki nong khmi nong pe naga sarkar pedeng kan rai mano banlong lani ka menteri rangba bathamai jong gajela kham hashwa ya gani Chief Electoral Officer Anurag Goel ula IT ya gi result bat ki thup karteng changki MLA ki bala Shahjit Shaulan.
आज मैं असम के महामहिम राज्यपाल महोदय को साक्षात किया और गणतांत्रिक परंपरा को पालन करते हुए मैं और मेरा काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स दोनों का पदत्याग पत्र महामहिम राज्यपाल महोदय का सामने उपस्थित करवाया. साथ में हमारे जो विधानसभा है उसको भी भंग करने के लिए मैं महामहिम राज्यपाल महोदय को परामर्श दिया. मेरा पदत्याग पत्र, मेरा मंत्रिसभा की पदत्याग पत्र दोनों राज्यपाल महोदय ने स्वीकार किया और राज्यपाल महोदय ने असम विधानसभा को भी भंग कर दिए. जब तक नया मुख्यमंत्री का शपथ नहीं होते हैं, जब तक नया मंत्रिसभा का गठन नहीं होते हैं, तब तक मुझे और मेरा मंत्रिसभा को केयरटेकर रूप से काम चलाने के लिए राज्यपाल महोदय ने निर्देश दिए. बीते 5 साल सरकार चलाने में हमारे राज्यपाल महोदय ने हमें जो मार्गदर्शन किया, इसके लिए भी मैं राज्यपाल महोदय को धन्यवाद, और हमारा ओर से राज्यपाल महोदय को हमने अपना ग्रेटिट्यूड भी प्रस्तुत किया.
Mentangin ya pai shaki kubor nakari. Ka India bat ka Vietnam mentagasi kilaya soy ya ka saskular ya sngotu jingmut halor ki core digital ka rare earth element ki jingseu lengba ki core digital ka jingmi benia ka kolshor bat ka kam jingok kai perthai Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi bat Presiden ka Vietnam Utolam kila penlong jing kren ru halor gajing te lok habreng kini ki ari bat gijing ha ka perthai Modi ulaong pagajing wan chong Utolam kapen pau ye gijing kular baskem chong gajing te lok bat ke India kabakdau ye gijing la ban penne pensa ya kiriti dostur tanrai gajing penyar ya ka kam khayi pateng gajing yo ye gidawai na India bat gajing penyaso ha kalyang kapisa tingka lengba UPI ringkat bat kerukom siu rukom tada ha Vietnam
बहुत जल्द वियतनाम भारत के अंगूर और अनार का स्वाद लेगा और हम वियतनाम के ड्ररियन और पोमेलो का इतना ही नहीं हमने भारत आसियान ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट आईटीगा को वर्ष के अंत तक अपडेट करने पर भी सहमति बनाई इससे भारत और आसियान के सभी देशों के बीच ट्रेड और इन्वेस्टमेंट को नई ऊर्जा मिलेगी क्रिटिकल मिनरल्स रेयर अर्थ और एनर्जी सहयोग में नई पहलों से हम दोनों देशों की इकोनॉमिक सिक्योरिटी और सप्लाई चेन रेजिलियंस सुनिश्चित करेंगे फ्रेंड्स कनेक्टिविटी और कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग हमारी पार्टनरशिप के अहम स्तंभ है हमें बहुत खुशी है कि दोनों देशों के बीच एयर कनेक्टिविटी लगातार बढ़ रही है फाइनेंशियल कनेक्टिविटी को भी बूस्ट करने के लिए आज हमने अपने सेंट्रल बैंक के बीच सहयोग बढ़ाने का निर्णय लिया है भारत के यूपीआई और वियतनाम के फास्ट पेमेंट सिस्टम भी जल्द ही लिंक होने जा रहे हैं
mentangin ya pai sheki kubor na ka perthai Ha United States unong yalam jangka Republican ubadai unong India Vivek Ramaswamy ulanang scam banshajit kum ulat ka Ohio dagajing yo prabu nyo persen ka vote bat penram no ya Khasi puch Ramaswamy minta ka ganti saya kendo bat ka Democrat ka Amy Acton ha ka election ka banlong ha ubanay na wing Ramaswamy ulajuya kuntengru ha ka election president ha usnem arajar arpusaw larasha jit Ramaswamy unlong ulat ubalay ha ka history jong ka US ubadai unong India ubasa pat ha Amerika mentangin ya pet shaki kubor ya lekai Kalimpong ya lekai Inter-School Badminton Championship arajar apun Rio kabakat kendai kelas dang mentakasngi hakyang nangba indoor stadium kaba lapenlong daka West Chantia District Badminton Association Hakane Kalimpong andan gijinya kun haki kerdan kiba hapo khatlai khatsan khanyo bat khat khandai snem habaro gijinya lekai single bat double kaban lumlang ya baro khandai pongot kinoi lekai kibana khatsan tali ki school na kaleng ki district ki khana school na shangpong bat mukayaru kilawan ban yashim banta kabapen pau ya gijing kiu ha gijing sngotanat ki samla ban lekai sport hakasngi sedang ya kani Kalimpong lawan bani shibenta da kinong yalam jongka association kibala ai jingkren ha kani kasngi kani Kalimpong ya lekai kabalai si kan kut ha ka pratarik menta ubanai
I kam ga WZBA ka West Jantia District Badminton Association da pemani kani ka 19 into school championship kani tok ka khat khande da pemani na to ni chwa da bontli isnam Wedi yu le nang mi isnam nang bon kino cipta kamnen snam the one kam wa khat le wa khat ar ka skor isnam de ku khasan skor ta yulti ne ni khmat urang dang bon chok skor wa cipta kanang wa yo ku gni ga badminton yong ye po ga district ni ta ne liang ga newsnam ku ga le wa yo jingrap ro in ka DSO wedi e gi ka poisa wa pamani ko winter coaching camp ni wadap pemain arbanai dan lor dap kata coaching di yui man interesting ai kena wan yel ki badminton kamtam dap kata coaching sedap ci ga ni to school bun book ki kwa yel ki sa sau kemeni udi yo irap no DSO ga just vegetarian district ni da sai vila igini ka badminton kwa ka ku po jenta health district ni udi yo ito badminton to ku bi ka game ka pau nam ha po ka ri India yang i kamtam ci international like player India da bon go lai ta pungkui kena kamtam igini grassroots under 13 under 15 ta kanang wo yo i player ku chmat ni chmat mo
Menta tungin yakmi egajing long jingman jong ka sinbring hakil lengge benta jong ka jela. Hatura kaching kreat kalong 8 degree Celsius, but kaching shit kalong 9 degree Celsius. Kaching sngem ka haw kalong riusan na kashispa, kaching hap slap kalong 9.9 mm. Haba pai pat shanong ba shilong. Kaching kreat kalong khat riu degree Celsius, but kaching shit kalong 8 degree Celsius. Kaching sngem ka haw kalong nyopo a na kashispa, kaching hap slap kalong khat riu 0.1 mm. Kat ba hajawai kaching kreat kalong khat nyo degree Celsius, but kaching shit kalong 8 degree Celsius. Kaching sngem ka haw kalong nyopo saw na kashispa, kaching hap slap kalong 0.1 mm. Kasun beneng kadum o hatura shalong bat jawai. Kala ru bandon kaching hap slap ka ba malumala habun kichaka. Syaban poi sya ka bakut jong ka thup khubor ni dia pet biang sasisen ya kimat bakongsan. Menjur kekenhuan menteri ban penskem kam ya kendai ku prangwat kinong tray adhok. Lapen bena ya ka khasa ni ka chocolate mazi kum ka dok kha jong ka jela. Sam katanat jengok kai perkai ka jela ya ki shithi menjur mangtingka hapok ki skim babuan ha ka empowerment program ha orchid bakery resort. Bat pli Menteri Kesorkar Deng, Ujyoti Aditya Sindhya lengbaka video conference ya ka New Generation Post Office ka Bashispa Hanehu. Te paralok ka tungila poisha ka bukot jong ka thup khubor jingi mata ka chanmiet hadu banginde shempiang bat phila shai ka sngi khublei phi baro.